received a request coming from Lego Group, asked us to build a Death Star.
We tried to come up with a certain concept through hologram film.
First draft sketch before we build the film.
This is the first time we built a sculpture like this.
The designing process took us a few months just to get it right.
6 feet times 6 feet. And somehow we need to glue it.
Actually affected the full structure to bend together with the steel frame inside.
There is certain calculation that is involved also to it.
There were a lot of original plans that we have to change last minute.
Thankfully, we managed to overcome the challenge.
That's a totally new experience to us.
When I saw it, I was, hey, that's something different. So it's nice to see innovation from Malaysians. It's nice to see a different kind of perspective from Malaysian builders. It's very interesting. Made in Malaysia, made by Malaysians.
Happy?
Shower.